are you? This is...
Quite a surprise, I know.
What are you doing here?
I'm staying here. What are you doing here?
I'm eating here. Sit down. Please, sit down. Perhaps I didn't make myself clear the last time I wrote. Perhaps I took too much for granted. But meeting you again, out of the blue like that, was very special to me.
Are you still working for that company that sounds like an ice cream brand?
Derskin and Hall.
Yes, that's the one.
Yes. An ice cream brand.
It was Lisa who said that.
What?
That they sounded like an ice cream brand. Oh. Lisa said it.
I don't think she told me that one.
How is she?
She's fine. She's away, visiting friends.
The people's flag is deepest red, it's surely of our mountain, and everything through sick and cold, their husband died in very cold.
What's going on?
It's a part of the convention. It's a sort of tradition.
Ah, tradition.
Yes. Well, we're big on that. Would you like some more wine?
No, I have to go. I have to interview the Undersecretary for Fan Produce. Talk about chickens.
Sounds interesting.
Please.
Why shouldn't I be speaking to you?
Sorry.
The first thing you said to me, am I still speaking to you? Why shouldn't I be?
If you don't remember, I'm certainly not going to remind you.